Hi kids, welcome to Playful Learn Babyboss. Today we are going to make a paper whale. So for that we need one color paper and a white paper, scissors and a pencil. So let's draw some circles. And now let's cut them. Remember, the both big circles should be of the same size. And I have cut a heart and this kind of shapes, like a rectangle with a curve. Now I am going to fold this white paper, and the green one I am going to fold so that I can cut it into equal pieces. Now I am cutting it. So now this one I am going to attach to each half circle so that it will become the fin of the whale. Repeat the same with the other side. Now I am going to attach this heart so that it will become a tail. To one end I am attaching the heart. And now let's paste these half circles. Kids, if you see a whale, you can see water splashing out from the whale. So let's cut this white paper so that if we attach it, it will look like water is splashing out from our whale. Let's put it in the center, like this. So now our whale is ready. Now let's put some eyes. I'm taking the white circle. I just draw a black circle so that it looks like eyes. Let's paste them. Now let's draw the mouth of the whale. So kids, our whale is ready. Hope you like this video. Please make it at your home and let me know. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.